Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, the Asian Mechanic Guy. And it's Friday afternoon, and we're just gonna do a quick backyard car repair videos. And we do have this 2005 Honda Civic. We're just gonna do a quick front brake pad replacement. So let's get started. Let's remove the tire. So this is, I guess, 19 mm. Right, we're using number 12. So we're just gonna remove only the one at the bottom. Alright, number 12. And then we're just gonna slide it. Like that. So we can remove it. We need to remove this one too. There we go. Loose, we can remove this. Let's hang it there. There we go. Let's remove the brake pad. Brake pad is halfway. There you go. Let's remove this too. The shim or hardware. And let's clean it with brake cleaner. See this caliper? Let's clean it up too. Okay. Right, we're using Wagner QS. First, let's put the this. Alright, let's put some lubricant or grease. So this comes with this, this brake pad kit comes with this, grease. Let's put it on. There you go. Nice. And of course, sliding pin. This one, oh, it should be at the bottom. This one should be on the top. Okay. Let's put it on. Perfect. Nice. Then bolt. And this one here too. And then the one over here. Okay. All right. So it's just snug, not too tight. Okay. Perfect. Alright, so we already finished replacing front brake pad. So this is the one on the right done, and of course left one. So brand new, brand new. But so the customer also want me to replace the transmission fluid, so we're gonna drain it. So it's very straightforward. They just need a 3/8 socket, 3/8 wrench. I'm gonna use this one to open the drain plug. See, it's located here on the passenger side. Where was that? Right here. Right there. Right there. See the drain plug? Right there. That's the drain plug. See it? The bluish. That's that one right there. That's the drain plug. Okay, let's do it. All right. Alright. So drain plug. I'll be showing you. So what we're gonna do here is just drain and fill. Right there. So just gonna drain it, everything, and then we're just gonna measure it, then put back whatever we get on that bucket. Okay, then here's come the dips. Here's the dipstick. This, the yellow dipstick for the transmission. Alright, so let's put back the drain plug. By the way, we're gonna put this Honda DW-1. Alright, so let's measure the fluid. Not too much. Yes. This. Alright. So I think we got 3 liters. So that's 4, so 3 liters. Exactly, we got 3 liters over here. So let's put 3 liters of this DW-1 Honda genuine. We're using this long funnel. Alright guys, so it's done. So we did replace front brake pad and then transmission fluid. So let's start the car. Let's start the car. Alright guys, before we close this video, I just want to show you how much I've earned for this repair. So today is December 6. What's the time now? 6:40 p.m. It's just, you know, quick repair. So front brake pad $100, transmission fluid change $50, so I got $150 today. After my first job, I went all the way to my garage around 5 o'clock, past 5 o'clock. So this only took me 1 hour and a half to do everything, and I got $150. Alright, so there you go. That's how you know, replace the front brake pad and transmission fluid change for 2005 Honda Civic. So if you had any question on this repair or in this video, please comment down below and consider like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.